You can use a knife or any sharp object to bore a hole in the coconut. You see 3 dark round spots at the top of the coconut. If you need the juice, you can drain out into the bowl. Once all the juice has been drained out, you can use a hammer or any heavy object. I'm using a pestle to knock the coconut into bits. I then take a sharp knife to separate the soft bits from the shell. Be careful because there are sharp bits on the shell and you will get yourself injured. If it still won't come out, you can knock it a bit with a hard object until the shell gets separated from the soft bit. You do the same with the other half to separate the shell from the nut, or some people call it the soft bit, even though it doesn't really look soft. I'm now straining the water or the juice from the coconut, just in case there are any sharp bits of the shell that got in it, because I need the juice. I cut the nuts into segments and give it a rinse just to get rid of any of the shell. And I'll place it in this is a mini chopper. This will just shred it into little bits, and once you get to the size that you require, you can stop. You can use a grater for this if you so desire. Depending on the size that you want, you can use the large side or the smaller side. And that's how you make your shredded coconut. Depending on what you want to use it to do, you can dry it in the oven. I intend using mine to bake some cake, so look out for my next video. Thanks for watching, and if you've loved this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.